Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the suggest emails to reply for feature on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, then scroll down to the bottom and click on Settings. Scroll down again to the inbox category and tap on the second option, Inbox Customization. Click on Nudges, Replies and Follow-ups, and here you have the Suggest Emails to Reply feature that you can enable by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen, meaning that emails that you might have forgotten to respond to will appear at the top of your inbox. Click on the Done button at the top and it will be updated automatically. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.